Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a coffee vending machine. First, thoroughly research various machine types, considering features like drink variety and capacity. Next, establish a clear budget, perhaps around $5,000 to $10,000 for initial setup, and pinpoint the ideal location for your machine. Finally, identify all essential components, such as a brewing unit and coin acceptor, and find reliable suppliers for each part. This foundational planning ensures a smooth and efficient build process. Now let's gather your components. Acquire the core parts, including a robust brewing unit, a reliable coin or card payment mechanism, and a water pump. Carefully connect the water supply and ensure all electrical systems are safely wired according to specifications, perhaps using a 120-volt power source. Then, install the cup dispenser and the various product hoppers for coffee beans, sugar, and creamer. Precision during assembly is key for future operation. With assembly complete, it's time for programming. Configure the machine's software to offer a range of drink selections, from espresso to lattes. Set competitive pricing for each coffee option, perhaps $1.50 for a standard cup. Then, perform comprehensive testing of every function. Check the brewing cycle, cup dispensing, payment system, and ingredient delivery multiple times to ensure everything works perfectly before deployment. This step is crucial for customer satisfaction. Finally, for successful long-term operation, establish a strict maintenance routine. This includes daily cleaning of the brewing unit and regular restocking of ingredients, perhaps every 2 to 3 days depending on usage. Continuously monitor sales data and gather customer feedback to make improvements. Perform routine checks on all mechanical and electrical components to prevent breakdowns, and ensure your coffee vending machine consistently delivers a great experience, maximizing its potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.